Hello, I'm Congresswoman Bonnie Watson Coleman, and this is You Asked, I Answered. In the past couple of weeks, I've gotten a number of letters regarding the LGBTQ rights and the Equality Act. I want to read one of the emails I received from James in Princeton, New Jersey. It says, "Dear Rep. Watson Coleman, as your constituent, I am writing you to ask you to vote for the Equality Act, H.R. 5, which would clarify federal civil rights laws to protect all Americans from discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity. Discrimination against LGBTQ people is wrong. However, in 30 states, LGBTQ people are still at risk of being fired, refused housing, or denied service under state law. The harsh reality is that discrimination is a real and persistent problem for many LGBTQ people and for their families. The Equality Act would provide clear, consistent protections nationwide in employment, housing, credit, education, public spaces, and services that are federally funded programs and jury service. Everyone deserves a fair chance to earn a living, provide for their family, and live free from harassment and discrimination. Please support the Equality Act to help make this vision a reality for all Americans. Sincerely, James, Princeton, New Jersey." You're absolutely right, James. Everyone deserves equal rights under the law and to be treated fairly. You'll be glad to know that I co-sponsored and on Friday voted for the Equality Act of 2019. This bill protects lesbians, gay, bisexual, and transgender Americans from discrimination in employment, public education, housing, public accommodations, and other areas of life. It also includes my Customer Non-Discrimination Act, a bill that I first introduced as a freshman member in 2015. It will amend the Civil Rights Act of 1964 by adding sex, sexual orientation, and gender identity to shield LGBTQ people from discrimination. The Equality Act will now move on to the Senate. This bill cannot end homophobia or hatred, but it does provide legal protection and fairness for our LGBTQ brothers and sisters. Friday was an incredible day for me, and I hope that you'll join me in celebrating this historic achievement. If you ever have questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact my office at 202-225-5801 or at my website, watsoncoleman.house.gov.